This thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, and this thumbnail all are created using a easy and simple AI thumbnail maker tool. You can even create better quality like MrBeast, Mark Rober, this quality's thumbnail using the easiest YouTube AI thumbnail maker tool, Thumbnail AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create these types of qualities YouTube thumbnail using a very easy thumbnail generator tool, Thumbnail AI. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper, and let's get started. So let's see how to do this. This is the website of Thumbnail AI. You can log in here. If you are a new to use Thumbnail AI, you can just register here, and this is the landing page, and you can go through it to get informed about Thumbnail AI. So here is a demo video. You can watch this video how it works, and there are some frequently asked questions. You can also see all of the questions to get more information about Thumbnail AI, and there are some showcase of recent thumbnails. You can go through them. How is the quality you can expect from Thumbnail AI? These are some of the examples of thumbnails created from Thumbnail AI. You can generate vertical thumbnail as well as horizontal thumbnail using Thumbnail AI. It's very simple, and let's go through it. So I'm logging my account. So this is my account, and let's first check the pricing plan. I'm clicking here in the price section, and there are three plans. First one is creator. You can get this package for $9 per month, and you can create 100 thumbnails per month. And this is the pro plan for $49 per month and up to 300 thumbnails per month. And all of the features are available for this package. And this is the business plan. You need to invest $249 per month to get this business plan, and you can create up to 2000 thumbnails per month. And all of the other features are available in this plan, and you can have team access as well. And this plan doesn't have team plan, and in this plan you won't get priority support and unlimited HD download. So let's see how to work with Thumbnail AI. This is the option where you want to create your thumbnail. Its name is AI Create. Just click here and create your thumbnail. And this is my thumbnails. In this section you will find all of your thumbnails you have created using Thumbnail AI. And my upload is a section from where you can get all of your uploaded image or elements here. And this is maker. This is like Canva manual thumbnail maker. If you want to create a manual thumbnail without using AI, you can create thumbnail using this option. So I'm going through one by one. First, let's say how can create a thumbnail using Thumbnail AI. I'm clicking here, and these are my recent thumbnails. You can check, and let's say I want to create another thumbnail. First, I need to upload my face image if I want to keep the face on my thumbnail. So I'm clicking here, and I have uploaded my face here. You can upload your avatar clicking here. Just upload your clean and high quality close-up image here to get that image on your thumbnail. And let's say I want to use this face, so I'm selecting this. And now if you click here, you will get high accuracy, but if you don't click here, you may get low accuracy level of your face. So I'm clicking here, and here are three options. First one is YouTube. You can create YouTube thumbnail using Thumbnail AI. You can create social media thumbnails, and you can create blog post thumbnail, and you can create newsletter thumbnail. So I'm clicking here as I want to create YouTube thumbnail, and this is the option. You will input your thumbnail topic or text. Here you need to give the exact text that you want to keep on your thumbnail. So in this case, let's say I want to create a thumbnail for this video. I want to make a Canva presentation. Okay, I want to keep this on my thumbnail, so I'm giving this here presentation. Okay, and now here is the option. You can apply your prompt if you want to create a custom thumbnail from here. There are some of the templates library. You can either use any of the template. Let's say there are different types of or different styles thumbnail from the template library: cinematic fun, action packed, and there are different types of thumbnail templates. You can go through them. If you want to use exactly any of the thumbnail template, you can just select that template. Otherwise, there are three options: AI Pro and AI Plus. If you want to click here, it will guide you what this actually means. AI Pro means you can get two variations. AI will generate two different variations of the thumbnail. And if you click here, AI Plus, AI designs by analyzing your content best for clean and uncomplicated thumbnails. And this is actually for custom. If you want to apply any custom prompt, you just need to click here and give the prompt exactly here. If you want to create the thumbnail based on any of the template, you just select the template and you don't need to give any prompt here. But in case if you want to apply any of the prompt with this template, you can do that as well. So let's say I want to create a thumbnail like custom thumbnail. I am giving here custom prompt, keep Canva logo, and let's say I want to use this one, highlight. So I'm clicking here and I'm giving the prompt or custom prompt here, and here in the bottom side you can set up the quality you want to get. If you click low, it will create fast thumbnail, but maybe your thumbnail quality will be low. But if you select the medium, you can expect a good thumbnail quality. And if you want to get a very high quality thumbnail, it may slow the creation process, but with highly facial accuracy here. And you can select here the variations you want to get. So let's say I want to keep the variation 1, and here are the AI engines you can select. The first one is Nano Pro. It will cost your 2 credits per image, and if you select it, it will cost 1 credits. If you select it, it will also use your 1 credits, and if you select it, it will also 1 credit. So let's say I want to use Nano Pro, and it will cost my 2 credits. And here is the aspect ratio I want to set. So I want to get a long form YouTube thumbnail. So I'm clicking here in the landscape. If you want to create a short thumbnail, you can click here in the vertical section. Let's say now I want to create my thumbnail. I'm clicking the generate thumbnail button, and as my thumbnail is processing to create, let's see what happens. And here I can see the available credits. So see, this is a very good thumbnail and very good quality thumbnail. I have used a lot of thumbnail generation tools, but this tool is exceptional because it is very easy to use and the quality of thumbnail is outstanding. That is why I'm just using Thumbnail AI. And let's say I want to edit this thumbnail. So you can click here to edit the thumbnail. Now just click here in the edit button, and now give the prompt what you want to edit. Let's say you don't want to keep the presentation text. You can just give the prompt here and click the apply button. It will execute your command. Let's say you want to crop. You can click here. You can view the full thumbnail here, and you can download the thumbnail from here. Let's say now I want to download the thumbnail. So I'm clicking here, download compressed version, because the YouTube thumbnail limits is below 2 megabytes. So I'm clicking here in this button, and now see. So this is a very good quality thumbnail. So this way you can use the thumbnail AI. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. Don't skip the pin comment and description. I've pinned some must visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.